snowlight falling through the trees. Morning comes so patiently. No alarms, no crowded mind, just a softer sense of time. Cold wind hums a lullaby, branches paint the empty sky. Every breath feels new again, like the day is just beginning. I don't owe the world my hurry. I don't owe myself the past. Let the morning take me slowly, like a hand I trust to hold. In the quiet I remember life is gentle when it's cold. Every step is light and honest, every thought is calm and clear. In this snow and early silence, I am fully, simply here. Simply here. Coffee, steam, and window light, turning dark into delight. All the noise I used to carry feels too heavy for this day. Pine trees stand in quiet grace, teaching me a slower pace. Nothing broken, nothing wrong, I've been here all along. Let the morning take me slowly, like a hand I trust to hold. In the quiet I remember life is gentle when it's cold. Every step is light and honest, every thought is calm and clear. In this snow and early silence, I am fully, simply here. Simply here. Before the world begins to speak, I listen.